Meron po tayong sasagutin na mga questions dito galing po sa kababayan natin. Sabi niya, ito po yung message niya. I hope you're doing well. I'm planning to apply for a short stay Schengen visa to Germany from January 22 to 28, 2026 with a VFS appointment on December 22, 2025. I'm a full-time nursing student and I plan to visit my boyfriend and meet his family. I'm applying as self-funded and most of the money in my account was genuinely gifted to me by my dad and my boyfriend for me to spend comfortably. All the money is in my own bank account and I can provide bank statements, transfer proofs, and signed gift letters. My boyfriend cannot provide a Verpflichtungserklärung or affidavit of support and guarantee because he was rejected, but the funds are sufficient for my trip. I want to make sure I present my application correctly and defend it well so I don't trigger any issues with sponsorship questions. So ngayon gusto kong i-address na itong concern, itong questions ng kababayan natin. Sabi niya, can I apply as self-funded in this situation? Yes, kasi student ka naman and meron kang savings na inipon, pwede ka pa rin naman mag-apply as self-funded. Pero honestly, dahil ikaw ay walang source of income and as a student lang yung ties mo sa home country, ito yung posible na maging rason na low chance of approval yung application mo. Kasi possible, ayun nga yung na-mention ko, possible na yung savings mo, yung pera na nasa bangko mo ay hindi yan siya magiging sapat as proof of financial capacity. So yung second question, are my accommodation documents sufficient? Yung Meldebeschainigung at invitation letter. Yes, yung Meldebeschainigung, actually, yung invitation letter ay enough na yun siya kapag self-funded. Kapag self-funded, pwede kang mag-provide ng invitation letter and proof of relation doon sa host mo kung saan ka titira or kung saan ka mag-i-stay. Invitation letter plus proof of relation. Yun yung provide ng isa kong client na self-funded. Yun yung proof of accommodation niya kasi mag-i-stay siya sa friend niya dito sa Germany. So, itong part na to about sa accommodation, hindi yan siya yung maging issue. Hindi yan siya yung issue. Ang main concern talaga dito is yung proof of financial situation at yung ties sa home country. And then now, yung